Hello and welcome to the AFL Auto Blends 3D car creation channel. This is the next in the 1960 comma van, which is a British van. Now, apologies for not continuing this. I've left it quite a while, but I've been thinking about it and now to get back to it. Now, originally, as you can see, I'd done guide meshes to all of these bits, but I wasn't happy how it was lining up. I was thinking, well, if I'm using it as a guide mesh, I might as well you join them all together and have one guide mesh, because we're not getting the proper curve here. There's a sharp angle, and yes, I could bend that in, but it wouldn't look right. So I think if I join up the meshes, hopefully it'll get smooth. And then this one, we'll do that later on. That'll be a one-off. There won't be a guide mesh for that. It'll just be a one-off mesh. The only thing that we've finished on this is the roof. So that is the finished mesh on the roof. Okay, so for those of you who are new to this this vehicle, I'll show you a few images of it. If I can drag this across. So that's the vehicle. Dodge in America took over the rights, or when it was discontinued being made in Britain, Dodge took over the shape, and that's why a few of you will think, well, that's a Dodge. This one is actually a British, as I say, comma van. And there's other pictures. I've got a few pictures. I've not got that many, but just a few for reference. It was used as a panel van, as you can see there. It was also used as a camper van. This is a post office delivery van. It was used as a pickup. The back was cut off. You could use it as a pickup truck. So for you truck fans out there, this is the different sort of truck. There's a camper van. So if you get the basic shape with the tutorial I'm doing, then you can move on towards and do your own, do a camper van or whatever you choose to do. But once you've done one, you can easily modify it to that's a telecommunications van. Probably the best image I've got, actually. There were different sorts. So the front light clusters were different on some had single, some had double. The grille was slightly different on some, depending on when it was manufactured, as this was manufactured over some years. Anyway, the next part of the video will be a time lapse, a slow time lapse, showing you how I've converted all this into one mesh, so we can carry on the modelling process. I've got a screencast key on the bottom left, which shows you every move I make. So if you want to watch it in real time, all you do is set your YouTube video at 0.25. Then that will play at normal, or the speed that I am actually recording it, but I think you'll be able to follow it at 4 times speed. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye.